Can I predict the next big market crash before it happens? The current state of the economy has everyone on edge, wondering if a market crash is just around the corner. With inflation rates soaring, interest rates rising, and geopolitical tensions escalating, it's natural to feel a sense of unease about the future of our finances. As someone who's interested in staying ahead of the curve, you're probably asking yourself, will the market crash now, for sure? One of the main factors leading people to believe a big market crash is coming is inflation. With prices skyrocketing, it's getting harder and harder for people to afford the things they need. Rising interest rates are also a concern, as they make borrowing money more expensive and can slow down economic growth. Geopolitical tensions, such as trade wars and conflicts, can also have a significant impact on the market, making it difficult for investors to predict what's next. And then there are specific economic indicators, like the yield curve, that have historically been reliable predictors of a recession. These concerns aren't just about numbers on a page, they have real-life implications for people's livelihoods. When inflation rises, the purchasing power of our money decreases, making it harder for us to afford the things we need. Rising interest rates can make it more difficult for people to buy homes or start businesses, which can have a ripple effect throughout the entire economy. And when geopolitical tensions escalate, it can lead to a decrease in investor confidence, causing markets to plummet. Some experts believe that a crash is imminent, pointing to historical market trends and warning signs like the inverted yield curve. They argue that the current economic expansion has been going on for a long time, and that a correction is overdue. On the other hand, others think it's unlikely, citing low unemployment rates and strong consumer spending. They argue that the economy is still growing, and that a crash is not necessarily a foregone conclusion. Looking back at historical market crashes, like the 2008 financial crisis, can provide some context for what's happening today. So, is a crash truly imminent, or are these just normal market fluctuations? In my opinion, while there are certainly concerns to be aware of, it's impossible to predict with certainty when or if a market crash will happen. What's more important is being informed and prepared, regardless of what the future holds. By keeping an eye on key indicators, like inflation rates and interest rates, and staying diversified in your investments, you can help mitigate risk and stay ahead of the curve. To sum it up, while concerns about a market crash are valid, a definitive prediction is difficult. It's essential to stay informed, be prepared, and not make impulsive decisions based on fear or speculation. So, what do you think? Do you believe a crash is coming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest financial insights and analysis, be sure to subscribe to my channel.